be on YouTube, so you needn't write. Everything is on YouTube. It's being recorded. Anahat Chakra was the intersection of the upper and the lower chakras. From here, the spiritual journey of a human being begins. So this is a very important chakra. Empathy is very important in a human being, so that you understand what other people feel. ऐसी भावना होना कि आप दूसरे के भी दर्द को समझ सकें, वो उसको एम्पैथी कहते हैं. दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड यू हैव टू नो दैट. If this chakra is activated, a human being is very elevated, और उसके साथ वो चक्रा easily खुलने का chance होता है. It has 12 petals. It is the wish fulfilling chakra in the body. It is the kalpataru vraksha in the body. It is the wish fulfilling chakra in your body. Remember, it provides boons. It makes you fearless. It is a chakra, it is a doorway to realize the righteousness. Swadharam, that means your own soul will guide you, and you will know what to do and what not to do. You will stop taking advice from outside. This gives the person to control and liberate both. You can control somebody and you can liberate people, and you can liberate yourself too. It is a chakra of compassion and love. It gets locked with unforgiveness, with being vindictive, being very angry with somebody when you don't forgive somebody. So remember not to lock this chakra. It also gets locked with anxiety and doubt, shak. शक not only in a relationship, लेकिन अपने आप पर भी शक खाना. Oh, everybody says God is within me, but I doubt this can happen. Oh, self is very powerful. Is it? So वो जो शक निरंतर हमारे अंदर चलता है, वो चक्रा उससे भी related था. Capability of protection and destruction is given by this chakra. The gifts of this chakra was capability of protection and destruction. It is the wish fulfilling tree. A person becomes lovable for everyone, becomes connected to higher consciousness and transcends the senses. High light-heartedness, unconditional love. जो भी इस चक्र की साधना करता है, हार्ट चक्र की, they become yogi and lord of knowledge. It empowers a being to transit peacefully. Everybody likes ascension and progress, but the heart chakra opens up and allows you to do that. Okay, so the chakra is locked with anger, doubt, hatred, vengeance, sarcasm, ninda. You talk bad about people, disconnection, bad mouthing, non-acceptance of the divine energy within yourself, and being very conservative. All these things will lock this chakra. जिसका हार्ट चक्रा लॉक होता है उनको ऐसी बीमारियां होती है. यू हैव हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स, यू हैव ब्लड प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, यू हैव अस्थमा, you can have a frozen shoulder, you can have vertigo, all these problems, all problems related to your hands, palms, fingers, shoulders, neck are related to your heart chakra also. So remember this. Even upper back, all your upper back is related to your heart chakra. Now from here, let's start the Vishuddhi chakra. The exercise and stuff, you don't worry, because we are going to keep one session specially for you people, so that all the exercises for all the chakras that are there, we are going to give you all of them together. एक compact program दिया जाएगा आपको, so that you will know in what sequence I must do what every day. So don't be confused. We'll give you all that roadmap. Nothing to worry. Vishuddhi chakra. Whatever I'm sharing, I think it's my insight also, my experience. There is very little of bookish knowledge. So if you feel that you can read some books, great. You can watch some YouTube, great. But all this is in the 29 years of practice that I have been doing. This is what I have realized, and I have started writing them down because of you people. Generally, I was very lazy to write, but nowadays I write. As soon as something happens, I have started writing it down, because I realized the value of it, that other people need it. So I've started writing it down. It's a very rough thing which I pen every day, different papers, different sheets, but I still want to share them with you. Throat chakra is the voice of the body. It is a pressure valve that allows energy from the other chakras to be expressed. It is out of balance, or blocks that can affect the health of your body. Let me explain this to you, okay? आपका थ्रोट चक्रा, इफ यू रिमेंबर, हमने कुछ महीने पहले ध्वनि योग का एक सेशन किया था. मेनी ऑफ यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दैट सेशन विच वॉज ध्वनि योग, साउंड फ्रीक्वेंसी. इट वॉज अ वेरी एक्सपीरियंशियल थिंग. थ्रोट चक्रा इटसेल्फ मीन्स आपका ये थ्रोट चक्रा का कनेक्शन आपके साउंड के साथ है इन द फिजिकल बॉडी. टू, इट इज़ अ पैसेज. इफ इट इज़ अ पैसेज, दैट मीन उसके साथ एलिमेंट इज स्पेस, ईथर, आकाश तत्व. Everybody understands this? Akash Tattva. If you actually work on the Akash Tattva, then you will understand कि that is from being finite to infinite. मतलब आपकी यात्रा जो सीमा से शुरू होती है और असीम में जाती है. From finite to infinite. When you reach the throat chakra, it is as if you have entered the security gate. This I have explained before and it is there on YouTube in my Dhwani Yoga session. This is like the security gate in the airport where you are thoroughly checked, and if you have any vikaras and if you have any such things that cannot go in your spiritual journey or that cannot elevate you, you will be thrown back in your 5 lower chakras. The only major thing that blocks you from transcending into this chakra is ego, aham. It is very strange, but the ego is so subtle. आप बाकी सारी दुनिया के अहंकार से परे हो सकते हैं. यू विल रियलाइज, ओके, आई गेट एंग्री, यू मे गिव अप एंगर. आई एम फुल ऑफ डिजायर, यू विल गिव अप योर डिजायर. बट व्हेन यू विल बिकम स्पिरिचुअल, यू से आई एम वेरी स्पिरिचुअल एंड यू विल गेट स्टक बिकॉज यू सेड आई एम स्पिरिचुअल. You know, it is like a golden nose which will not allow you to go ahead in your throat chakra, because this is from here onward is your complete spiritual realization. यहाँ से you only start giving back. You don't take anything with you. You just keep on giving back to the society. Once your throat chakra is opened, अगर आपका ये चक्रा खुल जाता है तो आप रियलाइज करते हैं कि आपकी बात पूरी दुनिया सुनेगी. Once you start talking, the whole world will have to hear it. Why? Because somebody who has opened this chakra with respect and with effort, they will realize the truth of this world, the eternal truth. वो जो सच है ये उसका चक्र है. This is a chakra of the truth. It has so much conviction that a person with throat chakra, even if you want to suppress them, even if you want to keep them in a box, you cannot do it, because automatically space finds its way. Like space finds its way, वैसे ही जिसका थ्रोट चक्रा खुला होगा उसको कोई दबा नहीं सकता है. एंड समहाउ दे विल कम अप एंड दे विल बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड दे हैव अनडाउटफुल सक्सेस. They have not asked for success, but you become undoubtedly successful because this chakra has this gift of space. Elements की एक चीज याद रखिए. All of you remember one very important thing about the 5 elements. The 5 elements are air. Nobody can control it. You can't do anything with air. See, even if you say this is my air, this is London air, this is India air, but air is air. You can't say this is my air, isn't it? Nobody owns it. It is impartial. All elements are impartial. You look at fire, whether it is a rich man or a poor man or anybody, the moment you go near the fire, you're going to get burnt. It doesn't care who. It is there in everybody. All living beings will have it. So 5 elements, if you see all the 5 elements, you can't control it. Earth, you're made up of it. Even if you say, let me discard it, you can't discard it. Because everything, there is the earth element, isn't it? With elements, one thing you realize is they are very, very impartial. ये 5 तत्व जिंदगी के हैं जिसको कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, और आपको बहुत इंटेलिजेंटली बनाने वाले ने ये 5 एलिमेंट से बनाया है. If you understand the play of these 5 elements, you will understand this whole universe. जिसमें से सबसे अच्छा आप अगर देखेंगे, महसूस कब करते हैं, जब आप में आकाश तत्व बढ़ जाता है. All your life, because you have had responsibilities, because you have had duties, you have had identifications, conditioning, you have kept shrinking the space inside. इतने सारे विचार, the thoughts inside you went to that number that it outnumbered everything else inside the body, और सब चीज श्रिंक हो गई आपकी बॉडी में, स्पेस कम हो गया, इतना कम हो गया कि आवाज़ निकलने के लिए भी आवाज़ टेढ़ी मेढ़ी आती है, बिकॉज इतने सारे थॉट्स के बीच में से आपकी आवाज़ आती है. फॉर दैट साउंड टू कम ऑल्सो it is so much effort in the body. Some people can't speak only. So this chakra, when it is blocked, you see some people can really not speak also. जब आप ये सारे thoughts को clear कर पाते हैं, when you're able to get rid of all these thoughts which are actually, you realize there is no identity to thoughts. You are thinking of something which has gone in the past. You must be thinking of something in the future जो हुआ ही नहीं है, जिसकी होने की संभावना नहीं है. There is no possibility of something to happen. You may think of that too, and you will waste your time, and you stop being in the present moment. And Akash Tattva, this element of throat chakra, means being in the present moment, moment to moment. Now where are you? Identify with yourself. I am here in this moment. जो इस मोमेंट में है, जो इस समय में है, वो अब जो मोमेंट गया फिर से दूसरा मोमेंट आया. हर मोमेंट टू मोमेंट में, व्हेन यू आर इन दैट मोमेंट एंड यू आर अवेकेंड, योर अवेयरनेस इज कंप्लीटली विद इन योर सेल्फ, देन योर थ्रोट चक्रा इज ओपन. You are constantly in this awareness of yourself, and you constantly identify that you are not the body, but you are one with the body, and you know how to handle it. You are not disturbed with things outside. Naturally, if somebody cuts you, does something, you know the body is suffering. You cannot suffer otherwise also, even if you're in the body or not, but you can't suffer. It's the body alone which suffers. When you suffer, it is karma. Remember this. When we suffer, it is karma. Then the soul has decided, I want to suffer. In this whole world, जितना भी दुख और सुख आप देखते हैं, it is all a big drama. You notice, we like to dramatize everything. I have seen more in our Indian and Asian communities. There is a lot of drama. There will be one shadi, a wedding in the family. We want big drama. Somebody says something to us. Oh my God, it's a big drama. Some little dukh happened in our life. That's a big drama. Everything. No, why we like to create drama? Because that is a subtle ego, which is your identification. Everybody remember, this drama is only because it is an ego. अगर ये ड्रामा नहीं है, कुछ नहीं था, लॉकडाउन में you had to do nothing, you had to just be home and do nothing, you were very miserable, isn't it? Because the drama became down. So people who were not getting holidays, people who were not getting breaks, they were feeling so miserable every day. They had to go travel, work. When the lockdown came, oh my God, they were so bored because they missed all that drama. You were missing the drama. Nothing else, because with the drama I travel so much, I work so many hours, my office is like this, you know how many responsibilities I have, and suddenly all that was not there, and those people were more depressed. You know why? They lost their identity. No drama in life. So you understand, whenever there is drama still in your life, that means ego is really bothering you even now. Ego, suffering, drama, they all come in a package. It is very difficult to separate them unless you're very aware that moment to moment, right now you're happy, right now you're with yourself, celebrate this moment. Be with it completely. Make the best of moment to moment. If you get 5 minutes also of peace, if you get few seconds also of peace, expand it and enjoy it as much as you can. Don't waste it. It's very, very important for us. Throat chakra is all about that, because हम बोलते हैं, oh, I need my space, I need my space. You notice everybody is complaining, oh, I need this, in the lockdown everybody is at home, I need my space to do this, I need my space to talk like this, this is because space is a very, very important element. And finally you decide, if I have space, I can do without many other things in my life, isn't it? We realize, if I have my space, I'm good. I don't mane kach nahi jo, I need peace. So that peace will come only when your throat chakra is open. Let me tell you a few things about the location of the chakra. The pit of your throat is the location of the chakra. The lord of this chakra is the destroyer form of Shiva. Why the destroyer form of Shiva? So we'll get scared. Oh my God, somebody who destroys. ये भी एक drama है. This is also ego. If somebody says no destruction, oh my God, we start worrying as if we are the ones who are doing everything. The destroyer of all that is between you and your self-realization is that destroyer. the one who destroys all that comes between you and your self-realization. For that, this Devata is the very pure Devata inside. In fact, it is a combination of a male and a female energy. The female energy inside, the yin and the yang, is very balanced here. The female energy is holding a golden noose. फांसी के फंदे जैसा एक नोज उठाया है. अगर कोई भी इसमें घुसने की कोशिश करे विकार के साथ, गुस्से के साथ, लालच के साथ, अहंकार के साथ, तो दैट नोज विल squeeze you and say, go back down. You can't come up. You understood? Somebody asked me a question कि हम ये चक्र की जर्नी करते हैं, but if the Kundalini Shakti is not wanting to awaken, or if it is not awakened in the bottom, then what's the point? I want to tell you, you must be seeing so many seeds every day. हम कितने सारे seeds देखते हैं, you know, but that seed has a prospect of a whole tree with hundreds of fruits. So many seeds don't fructify. So many seeds we just roast and we eat them, isn't it? Only some of them fructify, the one which are actually nurtured in that way so that they fruit. So how it's in human beings also. Everybody has the divine power. Some who already chose them in their karma, that I want this Shakti to be awakened in myself, or some old souls who have traveled for long. For them, this is very important that they do this chakra, because it's an opening. Just that you are in this session, that means it's going to happen for you. You've not decided it, so don't take the credit. It's already there in your karma. This chakra, the benefits of this chakra, it takes you beyond time, conditioning and religion. Mane, it takes you beyond time. It stops making you think what happened in the past. It takes the fear away of what will happen in the future. Moment to moment, in this moment, whatever is happening with you, just that is very important, and it will take you. If you do that, you will realize you're able to do this. Live in the moment right now. Live in the present. 2. Second gift. It attains for the sadhaka a peaceful and a calm mind. वो जो thoughts की परेशानी है, everybody says, I can't meditate. The moment I meditate, I have thoughts. The one who does the sadhana of this chakra gets a very peaceful mind and a calm mind. One can have a complete vision of the past, present and future. For those who do not know, I am a practicing astrologer also, and I became a good astrologer only after my throat chakra opened up and I realized I could see the past, present and future. There was a time when I could look at people and I could see their whole journey behind and forward, and I can tell a lot of things about them. That's because the throat chakra is open, and it gives you this power of seeing beyond time also, beyond religion also, what your religion teaches also. You can defy everything and go further. You can ascend more into your spiritual self. Becomes free of disease. The one who does this sadhana becomes free of all disease. Even if you have cancer and doctor says you will not live, you will have this ability to heal yourself. You will know this is not the truth. I can do good to myself. I can heal my body. I can heal myself completely, and you will become free of all disease if you do the sadhana of the chakra. You will have a long life. Not that a long life and you'll be very old and haggard, but you will be able to enjoy the life, and you will be able to face the challenges that come with it. You will be very efficient and you will be able to manage your life. Whatever comes your way, you will manage it very well. So that's very important for a sadhaka to be able to do this. You will be even be able to take care of all the obstacles. You will go above them and do what you want to do. A sadhaka of the throat chakra becomes so powerful that once they decide, I want to transcend, एक झलक भी मिल जाती है of self-realization, they make sure that now I am not going to stop. The determination is so good, come what may, they will transcend. Once you've crossed this chakra, then you can be anywhere in the above chakras, which is great. It makes the sadhaka transcend from small boxes to huge Akash Tattva. Like, for example, you must have been very conservative about relationships, about judging other people in other countries, about assuming things. लेकिन जैसे ही आपका ये थ्रोट चक्र खुलता है, आप सारे वो जो डिस्टर्बिंग थॉट्स और नोशंस है वो अपने आप गिव अप करते हैं और खुले दिल से लोगों को देखने. यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट पीपल एज सोल्स, not as bodies anymore. The gift of this chakra is you start seeing everybody as yourself. Like for me, you are all an extension of me. I feel you are a part of me. So you start seeing everybody as an extension of your own soul. और आपको अलग नहीं लगेगा कोई भी, सब अपने ही लगते हैं. This chakra has the power to manifest even the occult. Like for example, कुछ occult बोलते हैं ना, occult side को हिंदी, I don't know the Hindi word for occult, but occult means जैसे जो लोग मैजिक में बिलीव करते हैं, miracles में बिलीव करते हैं, कुछ लोग काला जादू करते हैं. There are people who misuse the power of this chakra and do all those things also. इसीलिए there is a lot of ज्ञान गिवन बाय पीपल ऑन विशुद्धि चक्र दैट यू शुड बी वेरी प्योर इन थॉट्स. भाव शुद्धि होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आपकी नीयत ही अच्छी नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और आपको बहुत तलवार दी जाए, देन वॉट विल हैपन? यू विल स्टार्ट कटिंग पीपल्स हेड फॉर योर सेल्फ, इजंट इट? दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस. सो यू शुड हैव लॉट ऑफ प्योरिटी इन योर थॉट्स before you start working on this chakra, because it gives you the power to manifest everything you want to do. Everything that you have or think, this gives you a power to manifest. But you should be careful of what you think after this. You understand? So before going, the precaution is you should be very aware all the time, because the chakra itself is all about awareness. जागरूक रहना. इवन सोना है तो जगते हुए सोना, दैट आई एम स्लीपिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई स्लीप, आई एम कॉन्शियसली स्लीपिंग एंड आई टेल माई सेल्फ आई एम स्लीपिंग, द बॉडी इज स्लीपिंग, एंड आई रिमेंबर हाउ आई स्लेप्ट, मेरा हाउ आई स्लेप्ट, आई गॉट अप हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इन बिटवीन, एवरीथिंग आई विल रिमेंबर. यू अंडरस्टूड? किसी को गुस्सा करना है तो वे होश में कीजिए, बहुत होश में जागरूक रह के कीजिए, अवेयर रह के कीजिए. यू नोटिस यू विल नॉट गेट एंग्री. धीरे धीरे दिस चक्र हैज द पावर to get rid of all addictions in your life and bad habits automatically. The moment you are aware of everything, the moment you eat with awareness, you talk with awareness, you pause with awareness, you notice all your bad habits will change. Your whole life will change slowly, because you are constantly aware inside your body. So when you're getting angry, take a minute, think of awareness. Okay, now let me get angry. You'll see you're not angry anymore. It will change your life. It will change your pattern. This transformation, if it happens, only then you can realize your throat chakra is open. So many people, the belief system they keep the same, knowledge they take from up everywhere, and they gather the knowledge, but they do not use it, which is not okay. If you do not change from the base itself, what you are, and you don't transcend over that, आप नीचे वहीं अपना स्तर, वहीं फाउंडेशन रख के आप कितना भी सीखिए, आप लाइफ चेंजिंग कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. लाइफ तब चेंज होती है जब आप अपने बेस से ही चेंज हो जाते हैं. अगर मैं कितना भी ग्रो हो जाऊं, बट आई कीप थिंकिंग आई एम अ सरदारनी, मैंने ये सीखा है, मैंने वो सीखा है, तो आई विल नेवर ग्रो बियॉन्ड दिस. You understood? So you transcend everything so that you can change. This chakra has 16 petals, and this chakra, when it is locked, you will have problems like thyroid. You will have problems like you may not be able to speak up properly, fear of public speaking, fear of speaking for yourself. You will have depression, major depression, because this is related to air, the space inside the body. हमेशा याद रखिए, इस चक्र का स्पेस, ENT, ईयर्स, नोज, थ्रोट इज द सेम स्पेस. सो अगर आपको कोई भी बीमारी होनी है, कम सुनने की बीमारी होगी, नाक की बीमारी, वॉट एवर हैपन्स विल ऑल हैपन इन द स्पेस. ब्रेन connected to the space because neurons keep moving, isn't it? So that is also space. And all these disease, even in your bones, they start becoming hollow because you're not taking care of this chakra. Metabolism will be affected. मेटाबॉलिक डिजीज शुरू हो जाएंगी आपको, बिकॉज थायराइड इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग वेल. You will have cervical problems, neck problems, even vertigo again will come in this chakra also. Many similar things related to other chakras. If this chakra is blocked badly, it will affect your whole health of other chakras, and you may have multiple disease, you may have multiple sufferings. बहुत सारी sufferings होंगी आपके life में. Before we go ahead, I want to even tell you that we have my some people are here. My bhabhi is also here, and she's also in this class. She's attending it live. So just to remind you that we have an audience here also. Before we go ahead in this chakra, एक बात याद रखना, sound, आप जो शब्द इस्तेमाल करते हैं, that is very very important. If you see, the Bible says the Lord is the word. The Guru Granth Sahib says शब्द ही परमात्मा है. The Vedas says the sound is God. So different sounds, ओम, ये सब sounds को लेके सबने कहा कि sound is परमात्मा, because like last time, let me remind you, we decided that चक्र में से क्या हमको निकालना, we have to raise our frequency. The truth about the आकाश तत्व है, सैटेलाइट कहाँ छोड़े जाते हैं, आकाश में, isn't it? So that वो एक frequency है जो everybody has to catch on that frequency. One more thing about this chakra is, पहले से लोग बोलते थे अरे ऊपर जाना है, भगवान के पास जाना है. You know, they always mention God and they look up. So everybody thought maybe somewhere outside in the sky there is one heaven or hell outside, isn't it? But when they said up means अपने ही अंदर, जब आप ही अपने आप को फेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, when inside, when you look at yourself and you're not happy about yourself, when you don't like yourself, when you know that I have dirty thoughts, when you know that I'm impure in many ways, then you will not love yourself enough automatically, isn't it? To love yourself, you have to have that purity. उनका ऊपर देखने का मतलब था अपने अंदर ही ऊपर के चक्रास में झांकना. When we die, we don't go out, because I have died for some time and come back. I know we don't go out somewhere. We just go into a shell, into our own self. There is one thing somewhere inside in which we just merge with it. There is no outgoing somewhere. So whatever is there is within this body. Don't search for any Vaikuntha outside the body. Is everybody understood and clear about the Vishuddhi Chakra? Should we go ahead now with the exercises? Great. Today with the exercises हम sound की भी practice करेंगे. Sound frequency बहुत important है इस चक्र के साथ. आप कुछ भी नहीं अगर कर सकते हैं तो रोज गाना सीख लीजिए कहीं से. Put up singing classes and learn सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा. Just this much. If you keep repeating this also, this chakra can open up if your sadhana is good and you are 100% in that moment. So when you sing sa and then you think, oh my God, if I sit now, if I've kept something on the gas, I had to go here, you're thinking of another commitments, it's not going to work. Moment to moment today, I want you in my class today. Full session, you should be present 100% to experience the Vishuddhi Chakra today. Is everybody ready? Let's stand. Let's stand for the exercises. The body parts related to this chakra are the neck, the shoulders, the upper back, the back of your neck, and your brain also, because it's in the lower part of your skull in the back. Ready, everybody? So let's do the shoulder. Take your arms out first. Remember, we did this exercise. Make big circles. Breathe. Breathe. स्पेस आउट. ऐसे करो जैसे कि आप अपनी बॉडी को खोलना चाहते हैं. बड़ी सांसें लीजिए और अपनी बॉडी को पूरा खोलिए. ओपन इट इंच बाय इंच. ओपन अप योर बॉडी इंच बाय इंच. ओपन अप योर फुल बॉडी इंच बाय इंच. ब्रीद इनटू इट. 5, breathe. 6, very nice. 7, breathe. Open up your whole body. Take big breaths. आंखों को बंद करके ध्यान से पूरा अवेयरनेस अंदर लेके जाइए एंड क्रिएट द स्पेस. आकाश तत्व बड़ा ही है ताकि स्पेस हो जाए बॉडी में शक्ति के लिए. वेरी नाइस. 9, बड़ी सांसें लीजिए एंड 10, स्टॉप एंड रिलैक्स. आंखों को बंद कीजिए. क्लोज योर आईज. फोकस इनसाइड. बी इन द मोमेंट. दिस मोमेंट यू शुड बी इनसाइड योर सेल्फ. Become aware of the smallest thing inside your body right now. Moment to moment, you should be present here. Gently open your eyes. Very nice. Now, same exercise reverse. All upper three chakras will have this as a warm up. But take big breaths. Open up the whole back and breathe. Open it inch by inch. Open up your whole body. Open up the whole body. Breathe. Deep breaths. Create space. जो जो आपने श्रिंक किया है उसको सब खोलिए. आकाश तत्वों को अपने अंदर बढ़ने दीजिए. वेरी नाइस. 5. ब्रीथ. बी इन द मोमेंट. आपके थॉट्स इस मोमेंट इस क्लास में होनी चाहिए. वेरी नाइस. 3 more. 3. Excellent. Slow. 2. Very nice. And 1. And relax. Close your eyes. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के अंदर लगाइए. डीप अवेयरनेस में चाहिए. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के अंदर एक एक चीज पर ध्यान दीजिए. आपकी सांस की गति, योर चेस्ट, योर ब्रीदिंग. Focus on the space that you're creating every moment inside your body. Beautiful. Gently open your eyes. Now, before going ahead in this class, just wherever you are standing, just stand straight, take a deep breath. We'll do 3 times Om chanting, okay? Everybody will do it with me. Take a deep breath in and let's chant. Om. Again take a deep breath in. फिर से चैंट कीजिए. ओम. फिर से लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. लास्ट टाइम चैंट. ओम. रिलैक्स हो जाइए. क्लोज योर आइज. गो डीप इनसाइड योरसेल्फ. फील द वाइब्रेशन. बिकम अवेयर ऑफ द वाइब्रेशन. 100% be in this moment. Be present. You're not the past. You're not the future. You're in this moment. Feel the vibration of this moment. Beautiful. Open your eyes. In the next exercise, take your arms up and you'll go down. Exhale and go down. Those who have a back problem will sit in the chair and do it gently. Those who can do it easily, squeeze your abdomen. Exhale from your mouth. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Those who have a back problem, I repeat, take it easy. Sit on the chair. Do only as much as you can. Very nice. 5. Continue. Big inhale. Big exhale. खाली कर दीजिए. Create space inside the body. आकाश तत्व पर ध्यान दीजिए. Very nice. 7. Excellent. Keep going everybody. Very nice. 8. पेट दबाकर एक्सेल कीजिए. Very nice. 9. Exhale. Go. Very nice. Inhale up. 10. Stay there and hang your head down. Just hang your head down. When you hang your head down, just focus in your back muscles. आपके बैक में फोकस कीजिए. जब आप सर को नीचे लटकने देते, when you allow your head to hang down, you allow that upper back to open and breathe into it. Breathe into it, into your arms. Keep breathing into it. Relax more and slowly come up. Slowly come up in a standing position. Come up in a standing position. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and relax. Close your eyes if you haven't done so and focus inside your body. Become aware of what's happening inside your body. Experience the space that you're creating from moment to moment. You are in the present moment. Do not think about past, the future. This moment, 100% be with yourself. Beautiful. Open your eyes. फिर से सांस लेंगे. अब हम हमिंग करेंगे. Just humming like this. But you will not do this. Don't pierce your lips like this. Don't clench your jaws like this. Jaws relaxed होने चाहिए. Tongue relaxed होनी चाहिए. Lips relaxed होनी चाहिए. So take a deep breath in and close your eyes and start humming. Again, take a deep breath in. Start humming. Again, take a deep breath in and start humming. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. 100% be in this moment. Experience the space inside your body right now. एक्सपीरियंस आप में कितना खुलापन है. आकाश तत्व के साथ जुड़ जाइए. Just allow yourself to be free of all your baggages, as if you're like a bird, you want to fly in the sky. Excellent. Gently open your eyes. Very nice. Take your right arm in front and take it up and back like this. Back like this. And with your other palm, push the elbow behind. Push the elbow behind. Keep your neck long. Do not squeeze your back. Just keep opening your whole shoulder region. Open it up. The bicep, the tricep. Open it up. Breathe into it. Take deep breaths. पूरा पीछे खींचिए. Breathing करिए उसमें. Exhale and relax. Other arm. Take the other elbow up. And with the other arm, pull this behind. Still more behind. Breathe. Breathe. Pull it behind. Breathe into it. Exhale. Relax it. Again, take your arms up. Again, the first arm. Pull it. Breathe into it. Open it. Keep breathing into it. Exhale. Relax. Other arm now. Take the other arm again. Breathe into it. Breathe. Exhale and relax. Very nice. Now, keep one arm like this and tap your triceps. Energy gets locked in the arms. Remember, because arms we use a lot. Energy gets locked here. Tap it so that you release that. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Excellent. Now open your arms wide. Open your arms wide, everybody. And you will gently go up. In a flow, you will go to the other side. So you go with your whole rib cage and open the whole neck region also from the side. Use the whole neck to go side. Yes, go down fully. Inhale. Exhale. Come up. Inhale. Exhale. Fly. Very nice. Just swing. It's a swing. Yes, do it from your whole neck region also. 3, breathe. Very nice. 4, breathe. Keep doing this. 5, sway. आप जैसे कि आप कुछ साफ कर रहे हो, क्लीन कर रहे हो. वेरी नाइस. 6, ब्रीदिंग के साथ करिए. नेक रीजन भी पूरा लेके जाइए. 7, ब्रीद. एवरीबॉडी ब्रीद मोर. क्रिएट स्पेस. सब कचरा निकाल दो थॉट्स का. जस्ट एम्प्टी योरसेल्फ. Very nice. 9, breathe, breathe. 10, very nice. And come back and relax. Gently close your eyes. If you want to sit for a moment, please sit. If you have a chair close by, gently sit into that chair. Very nice. Take a deep breath and close your eyes if you haven't done so. Very nice. अपने जॉस को सॉफ्ट रखेंगे, रिलैक्स. योर टंग शुड बी रिलैक्स, लिप्स रिलैक्स. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड स्टार्ट हमिंग. Deep breath in and start humming. Again, take a deep breath in. Very nice. And start humming. Again, take a deep breath in and start humming. Now close your eyes, relax completely. Connect to the space inside your body. How much space you've created inside yourself. Remember, you are as astral as the space. अपने अंदर की शांति को अनुभव कीजिए. मोमेंट टू मोमेंट इस मोमेंट में आइए. बी अवेयर, बी अवेकेंड, बी इन दिस मोमेंट. Very nice. Gently open your eyes, everybody. Very nice. Now go to your chair, everybody. Go to your chair. Okay, so Rasika Bin, can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah. 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 Okay. So now, from here, you're going to do a very simple exercise. The back of your chair or the back of the sofa will be here. And you will take the neck forward like this. And go up. Elongate your whole neck and look up. Inhale. Come back. Exhale and inhale, look up. Can you see this? Very nice. Go back. Inhale, relax. Now go forward again. Now when you elongate, look up. Inhale in that whole neck region. Very nice. Continue. Again go back. Take your time. Continue this for 5 to 10 times. Do it very slowly. Very slowly. As you go into the higher chakras, you have to go very slow. Become aware what's happening in your body, in the space. Breathe. Be in the moment. You are completely with yourself in this moment. So be with yourself. 3 more times. Very nice. Go 3 more times. Breathe. Very nice. 2. Excellent. 1. Very nice. Breathe, everybody. And now go and sit in your chair, everybody. Beautiful. Just sit in your chair. Just relax. Close your eyes. Check your body weight, whether you're sitting with your left and the right side equally, that the body weight is completely balanced. Close your eyes if you haven't done so and integrate your energies inside. Be in this moment, the present moment. Become aware of yourself. Now, we are going to do the chanting of Ah. So, listen carefully. When you do this chanting, first you will take in a deep breath. Step 1. When you take this second step, you will take your tongue out and you'll do Ah. But with full energy and full power, you will be doing this. Everybody, remember. So you can't do just like, but you have to do it with your full power. Exhale all what you've taken inside. 3 times you're going to do the sound of Ah with 3 breaths. Ready? Let's take in a deep breath. Close your eyes. And let's do Ah. Beautiful. Again, take a deep breath in. Very nice. Start again. Ah. Again, take a deep breath in. Last time. Beautiful. Just sit in your chair, everybody. Just sit in your chair. Relax in your chair. Close your eyes if you haven't done so yet. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, especially relax your neck and the back of your neck. आंखों को बंद कीजिए और सांस छोड़ते ही अपनी नेक रीजन को पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स कीजिए. द फ्रंट एंड द बैक ऑफ योर नेक. Again, take a deep breath in. Now when you exhale, relax your neck, your heart, your chest, your back, your spine. Take a deep breath in. Let's start again for the chanting of Ah. Take a deep breath in and let's chant. Ah. Continue. Again, take a deep breath in. Again, the chant of Ah. Again, take a deep breath in. One more time, go. Keep your eyes closed. Just relax. Especially relax your heart, chest, lungs, your spine. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your fingers. Relax your neck and the back of the neck. And relax your facial muscles. Beautiful. Just focus inside the vibration of the inner silence. Connect to this beautiful silence and space that you've created inside your body. Beautiful. Gently open your eyes. Now we're going to do a different kind of exercise, everybody. So, okay, so I'll put you can see me from here. I'm standing, you can hold any pillar or any door or anything which you can put your hands on, a bar or anything that you have, or just a wall also, like this is a wall. You can just hold on to the wall and you can just press that wall and turn to the opposite side. One arm goes up around the wall like this, and I'm standing close to the wall, and suddenly I turn. When you turn, yes, use the neck muscles and breathe. Can you see this? Yes, breathe. Twist the whole side like this, and the arm is there. Keep breathing. You will feel the opening in your neck and in your chest region. Very nice. Keep breathing into it. Inhale, exhale, relax it, and come back. Now take the other arm like this, go to the wall, take the other arm there. Very nice. Go to the wall and now twist to the other side. Twist your whole body to the other side, everybody. Beautiful. Breathe into it, twist to the other side and breathe into it. Take deep breaths. Breathe in deep, and as you exhale, you relax. You relax the body. Close your eyes. Very nice. Now immediately let's do the shoulder rolls because there is tension in the shoulders. Release the shoulders. 1, breathe. 2, big circle with your shoulder. Breathe. 3, make shoulder rotations. Breathe deep into it. 4, use the shoulder, not your hands. Use the shoulders. Yes. Shoulders open. Use the shoulders. Go up till your ears. 5, breathe. Lot of breathing. Breathe in the present moment. No thinking. Thinking is not allowed in this class. Very nice. 7, breathe. Use the shoulders. 8, breathe. 9, breathe. 10, breathe. Excellent. And stop. Close your eyes. Stay where you are. Keep your eyes closed. If you feel like sitting, you may do so. Go to your chair. Take a small pause. आकाश तत्व को और बढ़ने दीजिए शरीर में. Every pause that you take in your life, every pause that you take before your reactions, every pause that you take before your actions, every pause that you take before you're angry, you're allowing the Akash Tattva to grow, the space inside you to expand. Gently close your eyes if you haven't done so. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and relax your whole body. Allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your upper back to relax. Allow your chest muscles to relax. The neck, the back of the neck should be very relaxed. Before you open your eyes, listen to these instructions carefully. Now you're going to do the sound of O. So your whole mouth will become in the shape of O. Take a deep breath inside. Take a deep breath inside. Let's do O. Again, take a deep breath in and let's do O. Again, take a deep breath in. Let's chant O. Keep your eyes closed. Focus inside. Become aware. मोमेंट टू मोमेंट अवेयर हो जाइए. आपके अंदर क्या चेंजेस है नोटिस कीजिए. नोटिस you're at peace with yourself. You are completely within yourself right now. When you are with yourself, you are complete. You are silent. Allow yourself to be in this space of silence within. Deepen your silence and allow this space to expand inside your body. Go deeper and deeper in this silence and allow the space to expand inside your body. And gently open your eyes. Same exercise हम reverse करेंगे. Ready everybody? Reverse exercise of shoulders. Go. Let's go. Stand. Please be in this moment. कुछ सोचिए मत. सिर्फ करते जाइए. And पूरी ईमानदारी से कीजिए. Give your 100% with breathing. Same exercise reverse. 1. Breathe. Open up the nerves related to your back. Open them up. Very nice. 3. Breathe. 4. Breathe. Don't squeeze your face. Be beautiful. 5. Smile while you do it. Be happy with yourself. 6. And breathe more. 7. Breathe. 8. Breathe. 9. Excellent. 10. Breathe and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and relax your whole body. Your back, the back of the neck. Relax it completely. Focus on how much you are able to expand this space inside you. Just allow it to expand inside you. Beautiful. Gently open your eyes. Few exercises on the floor which are necessary for this chakra. So let's do them. Get onto the floor, everybody. I'm adjusting the camera so that the YouTube captures this for you. Many people had this query that, we should be able to see it on YouTube. So we are trying our best to give you the session. So you can all see me, right? Rasika Ben, you can see me? Yes. So in this, get on to your cat-cow position, everybody. Yeah, that's okay. So you can be in the cat-cow position, and from here you go down, inhale and go up. Look up, focus on the neck region, inhale, exhale, relax it, again come back and go back. 2. If you remember this exercise, even for Swadhisthana Chakra, Manipur Chakra, only the focus point is different. Exhale, go back. Continue this. Inhale, go forward. Very nice. Expand, yes. And come back. Exhale, go in Shashankasan. Again, go forward. Inhale. Beautiful. Go up, look up and focus on the neck region. Come back. Exhale. Excellent. Very nice. Again, inhale, go forward as if you're doing a partial Bhujangasana, but you're not on the floor. You're a little up. Focus on the whole neck region and then you come up. Very nice. 2 more times. Go inhale. Beautiful. Very nice. Come back, exhale. 1 more time to go. Go inhale. Excellent. Exhale, come back, and with this again you come into your chair and sit. Come into your chair and sit in a comfortable position. Yeah. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in, exhale and relax your whole body. Relax your whole body, everybody. Close your eyes if you haven't done so, and allow your breath to become normal. Allow your breath to completely become normal. Your heart to be normal. Beautiful. Now again we will take a deep breath in and we will be chanting Oh, ready everybody? Take a deep breath in. Sit straight in your chair. Sit straight. Your spine should be straight. Neck should be straight. But the body should be relaxed. Face should be relaxed. Muscles relaxed. Take a deep breath in. Let's chant. Again, take a deep breath in. Chant. Again, take a deep breath in. Chant. Oh.